Hello YouTube, my name is Lori and welcome to Lori's Thrifty Kitchen Pantry. If you are a subscriber, welcome back. And if you are new, I am so glad that you found my channel and decided to spend time in the kitchen with me today. I am really glad that you're here with us today, so thank you for stopping by. And if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I put new videos out. So today I decided I'm going to do some kind of Italian thing for my supper tonight. I got these Priano cheese tortellinis from Aldi. I have not had these before, so I think I'm gonna try some of these, and I may add some pepperoni to it. And I'm going to be using a jar of my homemade spaghetti sauce. It makes for a really quick meal to have your own spaghetti sauce ready to go on your shelf, so that you just have to pull it out and it's ready to use. So we'll be using a jar of my homemade spaghetti sauce, and I think I may also do some garlic bread with cheese to go with my pasta. And I'm gonna start the pasta cooking on the stove, and I think I'm gonna finish it off in the air fryer, and I'll show you how to layer your dish and pop it in the air fryer and finish it off. That way it gets all nice and crusty, and the garlic bread will get toasty and melty and warm. So that's a good way to finish a meal off without turning your oven on and heating your whole house up, because I'm in Florida. It's still the middle of August, so it gets really hot here, and I have to turn my air conditioner off to use my appliances so I don't blow an electric fuse. So I use my air fryer because it's faster, and I can get that turned on, get my food done, and then get my air conditioner turned back on. So that's what the plan for supper is, and I'll have to come up with a name for this, because I haven't really thought of a name for it yet. I'm kind of creating it as I go along, so I'll have to come up with the name for it. So right now I got my water boiling on the stove, ready to drop the tortellini in, and Mr. Bubba the guinea pig is standing on his food dish staring at me because he's ready for his supper. He doesn't get his supper until mine's ready, so he's ready for his supper. So let's get into the kitchen and let's get cooking. Alright, we are in the kitchen. I've got my cheese tortellini cooking here. It's got about 5 minutes yet to go. And let me turn you around and I will show you what I'm working on over here. I turn you so you don't see my kitchen. Looks like a hurricane hit it. At some point I will need to do something with my cleaning my kitchen up. Alright, now I gotta fix you over here so you can see what I'm doing. And I just got my garlic bread here that I'm working on, and I'm only doing half of the garlic bread because As you, for those who have been here, you know that I cook for just myself. So I'm just gonna lay some cheese on it. This is just provolone cheese. I had gotten it from the food pantry that I get my food from. So I'm just gonna lay this over the garlic bread, and this is just a plain old run-of-the-mill frozen garlic bread. Nothing fancy. And I'm gonna, I think, put a little bit more cheese on it. I have to grab my kitchen shears here. My fingers are all buttery and greasy from working with the garlic bread. And I'm just gonna put just a little bit of mozzarella on there to go with the provolone. And I'm just going to pop this in the air fryer. I'm gonna get this in here. I'll bring you over here so you can see what I'm doing with the air fryer. Alright, I got you over here at the air fryer. So I'm just going to turn the power on. And it is set for air fry at 450. I don't need 25 minutes. So I'm going to turn the time down to 15, and I'll check it in a couple minutes. And then you press start, and that's it. I already turned my air conditioner off, so I don't have to worry about blowing a fuse. So now you can see I got my pepperoni all diced up to go in my cheese tortellini. I want to grab a strainer. Alright, I don't know what happened with my phone. It ran out of storage and turned off on me. So all I did was dump the cheese tortellini. When it finished cooking, I drained it and put it in the dish along with the pepperoni and my homemade spaghetti sauce. And then I layered it with some provolone cheese and some mozzarella cheese. And now I just have some Italian seasoning, and I'm just going to sprinkle the top of the cheese with the Italian seasoning just to give it some color and some flavor. And right now I think we're just waiting on the garlic bread to finish up. And actually, I will show you the garlic bread. Looks like it is plenty done. So let me hit stop. And oh yeah, look at this garlic bread. Look at that. That looks perfect. So I'll grab a pot holder here and pull this out because this is hot. Look at that garlic bread. Oh, it smells absolutely marvelous. And now we're just going to take our dish of cheese tortellini. That looks absolutely beautiful. And we're going to go back to the air fryer and pop that in there. I'll have to be very careful because the air fryer is hot. And we will do this at 450 for We'll do it for 10 minutes. I don't think it will take all that long. I'll check it. Yeah. It's hard to see in there, but it's in there. I will bring you back when it's time for our tortellini to come out. All right, we are back, and look at this dish. It looks so pretty, and I have to admit, I already taste tested the garlic bread, and it is perfect. It does so good in the air fryer. So I've got my pretty china plate here. This is going to be a great meal, so why not have it on a pretty plate? So we're just going to cut this. And give this a lift out. Hopefully it doesn't run all over because it just came out and it's still really hot, but I am really hungry, so I'm not waiting for the regular cool down. Look at this. Look at that cheese pull. Oh my Lord. That is an amazing cheese pull right there. This is gonna be so good. If I had waited to let it cool a little bit more, it probably would have come out of the dish a bit better, but I don't feel like waiting. Look at this plate. That looks really, really good. So we'll move this over and plate our garlic bread. Look at this. That looks absolutely fantastic. So let me spin you around and we will give this a taste. All right, well, we are ready to give this a taste. So let's try a bite of the garlic bread first because that's a bit cooler. So here's our garlic bread. It is very cheesy, and you can definitely taste the garlic. So now let us give this cheese tortellini from Aldi a try. Alright, let's get a little bite of everything here. It's still really hot. Drop the fork. And do the happy dance. Woo! This is really good, y'all. The tortellini only took 8 minutes in boiling water. It's got just the right amount of cheese in it. And it's cooked perfectly done. And this is shelf stable until you cook it. It was not refrigerated. It was just out on their shelf. So I highly recommend the cheese tortellini from Aldi. It is really, really good. So that's it for today's video. Hopefully I can figure out what's going on with my phone. I think I just need to get a memory card to store all my videos on. I think it keeps taking up all of the memory and turning my camera off. So I think I'm gonna have to write down and get a memory card for my phone. But other than that, this was an easy supper. It took less than 30 minutes to pull together. And I'm gonna really enjoy this. I gave Mr. Bubba his supper because he kept staring at me, so he's already chowing down on his supper. So I'm gonna go and finish mine. That would be really great with a nice glass of sparkling white wine. I think would go really well with that. So again, thank you for stopping by and spending time in my kitchen. I am Lori's Thrifty Kitchen Pantry. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And I hope that you come back. I have a bunch more videos ready to come out. I have one premiering on Monday, and I have 2 other ones that's ready to come out. I'm going to be showing you how to do egg bites in the air fryer. So make sure that you come on back and check out some of my other videos. And I hope you all have a blessed week. And by the way, if you guys have anything that you would like our community to pray for with you, or send you good vibes or wishes, well wishes or blessings, type that out down below in the comments and let us do that for you, because we have a great community here, and we will lift you up in prayer or send you all of the well wishes and good vibes that you need. So if you have anything, just make sure to leave it down below in the comments so that we can bless you with our prayers and support. So that's it for this edition of Lori's Thrifty Kitchen Pantry. I will see you all on the next episode. Bye!